Hi, welcome to clickmeproject.com. Now we are going to see on the security and efficiency of content distribution via network coding. Here it is an abstract for content distribution. An important issue in practical large content delivery in a fully distributed environment is how to maintain the integrity of the data. In the presence of link failure, transmission error, software and hardware faults, and even malicious attacker, if malicious attackers are able to modify the data in transmission or inject the arbitrary bogus data in the network, they may be able to greatly slow down the content distribution, or error prevents user from getting the errors data integrity earlier. In classical content distribution scenario, the data integrity can be checked using hash and sign paradigm. Now we are going to employ a new technique called collision resistant hash function. To compute hash values from of the original data X, we need to in existing we need to sign the existing hash values using the digital signature S with the signature key K. The signature is used to verify of the received data. However, we can use later. Such methods are not applicable in practical on content distribution coding based on the contribution schemas. Here it is in a flowchart for content distribution. Please consider the network consists of n number of clients. Now each client going to send a message to another client. So the client who's wish to send a message is the sender, and who going to receive the content is the receiver. Now the sender going to select a message from his side and going to calculate the homomorphic hash function. The hash function is used to encrypt it is a small type of encryption. Then after calculating homomorphic hash function, it going to select the receiver whom you want to whom it wish to send. After selecting the receiver, then it going to calculate encrypt the data by using some elliptical schema. After construct an encrypted file, it going to distribute the file to the destination. Before send to the destination, it will distribute the it will split the data into the packet, and it will deliver to the intermediate node. After deliver to intermediate node, the intermediate node going to calculate the decrypt file and going to verify the data by packet. After the verification schema, the packets is going to move to the destination side. After receiving the at the destination point, it going to decrypt the file again and going to verify the same file, and if the received packet is verified or not. Now I am going to show the running procedure for content distribution via network coding. Please start the intro to Java to start the execution. After getting the window, you are going to select the sender, destination and intermediate nodes by using the combo box, using the drop down box. Please ensure that there is no repetition on selecting the combo box. After you select the nodes carefully, and please click the next button. After click the next button, you are going to start the node manually. After getting the frame node node2.txt, you are going to configure the IP by clicking the IP.config icon. You must give the IP address as a local host because the server and client are present in the same window, same server, same system. So I am going to give a private key also as my wishes. I am going to give 11 as a private key. After input the private key, then I am going to select the intermediate file to transmit my content. After getting the window, I am going to give the local host as an IP address as my procedure. After giving the IP address, I am going to give a private key. After giving the private key, I am going to select the destination node. After getting the destination node screen, I am going to give an IP address as my follows: localhost and private key as my wish. After getting the small window server stacket, I am going to select a text file to transmit the data. Now I am going to transmit the input.txt to the destination node. After getting the input message, I am going to split the text message into the blocks. after getting the blocks, I'm going to decide whether node 3 as a destination and node 1 as an intermediate. I'm going to get the key from the intermediate file and also encrypt the content by using the intermediate key. Then I'm going to encode the function using the encode function, and I'm going to find the hash function by using the very smooth hash. After getting the hash function, I'm going to send the encode function into the intermediate node and encrypt function into the intermediate node. Then hash function is send to the destination node. After send the destination node, I'm going to transmit the original content into the destination node. After it will verify it at a runtime by using on-file verification schema. After getting the success message, I'm going to decrypt the content. After decrypt the content, I'm going to verify whether the content is mismatched or not. By clicking receive the content, I have received the content in the text area. By clicking the compare, it will show the message that the content is matched or mismatched. If it is a matched, means I'm going to forward the data to the destination node. In the destination node, I'm going to send the data to the destination. I must encrypt the key, text file by giving the key by the destination node. I am going to forward the message to the destination node by the intermediate node. Now I am going to forward the encrypt file also. Now the destination node get the received content and encrypt content, hash content by intermediate node. Now I am going to decrypt the content from the encrypt content, and I am going to verify if it is modified or not. If it not modified, means I am going to save the file as my wishes this file name. I am going to give the file name as verify. By clicking the click OK, the file going to be sent.